The ocean is vast, mysterious, and largely unexplored. What lies beneath its darkest depths? For centuries, sailors have whispered tales of an enormous beast that rules the deep, an ancient monster feared by civilizations across the world, the Leviathan. Is it merely a myth, or could this monstrous being actually exist? Tonight, we journey through time, exploring ancient scriptures, maritime legends, chilling sightings, and scientific theories that may point to an astonishing truth. Leviathan may not just be a story. Opening with an eerie underwater ambiance, deep water sounds, distant echoes, and mysterious noises set the tone. Statistics on oceanic mystery. More than 80% of the ocean remains uncharted, with depths we have yet to explore, leaving room for the possibility of an undiscovered species. Why humans fear the deep. Psychological studies show that people have a primal fear of deep water and unknown creatures. The role of myths in ancient civilizations. How stories of sea monsters helped explain the unexplainable. The significance of the Leviathan myth. How it has been depicted differently across various cultures, yet always described as an immensely powerful, destructive force. Chapter 1. Ancient Origins and Mythology. The biblical Leviathan, the Book of Job, 41:1-34. Leviathan is described as an immense, fire-breathing creature that cannot be tamed. Psalms 74:14 mentions God slaying a multi-headed Leviathan. Isaiah 27:1 describes Leviathan as a twisted serpent. Connections to other religious texts. Jewish Midrash interpretations describe Leviathan as one of the first beings created by God. Kabbalistic teachings suggest Leviathan has spiritual significance. The Mesopotamian connection. The story of Tiamat, the great sea dragon, shares striking similarities with Leviathan. Greek and Roman sea monsters, Cetus, Scylla, and Charybdis, monstrous beings that terrorized sailors. The Norse Jörmungandr, a giant serpent that encircles the earth and battles Thor at Ragnarok. Hindu and Buddhist oceanic beasts. The Makara, a hybrid sea creature representing the unknown and chaos. Theological interpretations. Was Leviathan a metaphor for evil, chaos, or a real beast? Could these ancient texts be describing encounters with a real, undiscovered creature, or were they based on true events that became exaggerated over time? Chapter 2. Historical Sightings and Maritime Legends. Medieval Maps and Monster Warnings. Why did ancient maps depict giant sea creatures attacking ships? Were they exaggerations, or did cartographers document real experiences? Famous sailor and explorer accounts. Hans Egede sighting, 1734. A missionary describes a massive serpent with glowing eyes. HMS Daedalus encounter, 1848. British sailors report seeing an unknown marine beast. The Valhalla incident, 1905. British naturalists record an enormous, unknown creature swimming in the Atlantic. The Kraken versus Leviathan. Are they different entities, or the same legend told differently? The Mary Celeste mystery. Could a sea monster have caused this ship's infamous disappearance? Engaging story. The Lost Ship of 1745. A merchant vessel sailing from Portugal vanishes. Months later, its wreck is found. No survivors. The ship split in two, as if crushed by an unimaginable force. Witnesses claim they saw a shadow beneath the waves before the storm. Did Leviathan strike again? Chapter 3. Scientific Theories and Cryptozoology. Could Leviathan be a real, undiscovered species? The Megalodon hypothesis. Evidence suggests some megalodons may have survived in deep-sea trenches. Unexplained sonar readings suggest massive creatures moving beneath the ocean, the giant squid and colossal squid. Once thought to be myths, these creatures prove that enormous deep-sea beings exist. Deep-sea gigantism. How creatures grow far larger in the deep ocean than expected. Ancient marine reptiles. Could Mosasaurus, plesiosaurs, or another prehistoric predator have survived? The bloop sound, 1997. A deep-sea noise detected over 3,000 miles. Could it be the call of a Leviathan? What if Leviathan is not extinct? What if it has been hiding in the ocean's unexplored trenches, waiting for the right moment to reappear? Chapter 4. Modern-day mysteries and news. The 2013 giant shadow sighting near Cape Town. Strange sonar readings. What are submarines detecting beneath the ocean floor? The Mariana Trench mystery. Could a being of Leviathan size survive at extreme depths? NASA's deep-sea exploration shift. Why is NASA suddenly investing heavily in ocean research? Recent submarine encounters. Military records describe underwater objects moving at unnatural speeds. A deep-sea probe is sent into an unexplored trench. Suddenly, an enormous shape moves past the camera. The video feed distorts. The recording is immediately classified. What did they see? And why is it being hidden? Reviewing the strongest pieces of evidence, what does this mean for humanity's understanding of the deep sea? The possibility of discovering a real Leviathan. Are we truly at the top of the ocean's food chain? Perhaps the real question isn't whether the Leviathan exists, but if we're ready to find it. Because if we do, we might not be the hunters. We might be the prey. Thanking the audience for watching. Encouraging discussions. Do they believe in Leviathan? Teasing future deep dives into other mysteries.